Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Notebook English, the channel where we turn English learning into simple, powerful habits that actually work in real life. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step lessons on speaking English like a native. Today's topic is a game changer. It's something I call do this daily and speak like a native. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need 5 hours a day. You don't need expensive coaching, and you don't need to live in London or New York to sound natural in English. What you need is one small daily habit that builds fluency like compound interest. And in this video, I'm going to give you the science, the psychology, and the practical steps to build that habit so you can transform your English forever. So grab your notebook, because this is Notebook English, and let's dive right in. Part 1, why most learners struggle. Before I tell you the one thing you should do daily, let's understand why so many learners fail to sound like natives. Even after years of study, they focus too much on grammar drills. They spend hours on textbook exercises that never appear in real conversations. They treat English like a subject, not a living language. Think about it. Did you learn your mother tongue through grammar charts? No, you learned it through daily exposure, imitation, repetition, and practice in context. And yet, when people learn English, they forget this natural process. Instead of living the language, they just study it mechanically. That's why you may know the rules, but when it comes to speaking fluently, you freeze, you hesitate, you translate in your head. Sound familiar? The secret to breaking this cycle is to shift from studying English to using English daily in real, bite-sized, powerful ways. Part 2, the daily habit. So, what is the one daily thing that will transform your English? It's simple, daily active speaking practice with native-like input. Let me break this down. 1, speaking daily. Even if just 10 minutes, this tells your brain, English is part of my life, not just a school subject. Consistency rewires your tongue and mind to form sentences faster. 2, active imitation of native speakers. Don't just read English. Don't just listen. Copy the way natives speak, their rhythm, intonation, and word choice. 3, daily reflection and correction. Record yourself. Compare with natives. Adjust. This small routine, when done daily, is like brushing your teeth. It takes little time, but over months and years, it completely changes your language hygiene. Part 3, the shadowing technique. The number 1 practical method to do this daily is called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a short clip of a native speaker. Immediately, you repeat what they say, copying tone, speed, and pronunciation. For example, play a BBC News clip for 15 seconds. Pause, repeat exactly what you heard. Or watch a short scene from a movie. Speak along with the actor, imitating their emotion. Why does this work? Because it connects listening, speaking, and thinking at the same time. It's not passive learning, it's active. It's like training your muscles in the gym. Shadowing trains your mouth muscles and your listening brain together. Do this every day for 10 minutes, and in 3 months, you'll notice you're not just speaking English, you're speaking it like a native. Part 4, the science of habit. Now you might ask, why daily? Can't I just practice once a week for an hour? Here's the truth. The brain learns best through spaced repetition not cramming. Small daily habits are far more powerful than occasional intense sessions. Think of brushing your teeth again. If you brush for 1 hour once a week, your teeth will still rot. But 2 minutes every day keeps them healthy. Language is the same. Short, daily speaking sessions tell your brain, this is important. Store it, automate it. Soon, sentences roll out of your mouth without effort, just like in your first language. Part 5. Daily Routine Blueprint. Here's a practical daily blueprint you can follow. Step 1. Choose a source 2 minutes. Pick a 1-2-minute video or audio clip from a native source. News, podcast, movie, YouTube. Keep it short. Step 2. Listen carefully 2 minutes. Play the clip once. Focus on rhythm, tone, and keywords. Step 3. Shadow 4 minutes. Repeat the clip sentence by sentence. Copy the exact sounds, even if you don't understand 100%. Step 4. Record yourself 1 minute. Use your phone. Compare your version with the original. Step 5. Reflect 1 minute. Note one small mistake. Maybe your TH sound, maybe your stress. Fix it next time. That's it, 10 minutes. Part 6. Psychology of confidence. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Fear of speaking. Many learners hesitate because they think, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh? What if I don't sound smart? Here's the truth. Even native speakers make mistakes. What makes them confident is not perfection, it's practice. When you speak daily, you stop treating English as a performance. It becomes normal, automatic, effortless, and when confidence grows, your fluency multiplies. Part 7. Real-life examples. Let's take 3 learners. Maria from Brazil practiced shadowing with Netflix daily. In 6 months, she stopped translating in her head and started thinking in English. Ravi from India recorded himself daily and shared voice notes with a friend. In 1 year, he landed a job interview in the UK and impressed the recruiter with his natural tone. Li Wei from China set a daily 10-minute English challenge on WeChat. Her friends joined, and within a year, her accent softened and her listening improved drastically. What do they have in common? Daily practice. Part 8. The power of micro habits. Remember this. Tiny habits equal massive results. If you speak just 10 minutes daily, in a week, that's 70 minutes. In a month, that's 300 minutes, 5 hours. In a year, that's over 60 hours of active speaking. Imagine what 60 focused hours of practice will do for your fluency. Part 9. Practical tools to make it easier. Here are some tools. YouTube channels, BBC Learning English, TED Talks, apps ELSA Speak, LingQ Speechling, recording tools, your phone's voice recorder, scripts, movie subtitles, podcast transcripts. Use them wisely. Keep it short. Keep it daily. Part 10. The feedback loop. To really sound like a native, you need feedback. Here's a simple self-feedback loop. 1. Speak. 2. Record. 3. Compare. 4. Correct. 5. Repeat. This way, you become your own teacher. And trust me, your brain loves fixing small mistakes daily. Outro. So let's wrap this up. The one thing you must do daily to speak like a native is active daily speaking practice, especially through shadowing and imitation. It's simple, it's short, it's powerful. Remember, fluency isn't built in one giant leap. It's built in tiny daily steps that add up to massive results. So starting today, promise yourself, I will spend just 10 minutes a day speaking English actively. Do this, and one day soon, you'll wake up and realize you don't just speak English, you speak it like a native. Thank you for watching Notebook English. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical English learning tips. And in the comments below, tell me, what's one small English habit you'll start today? Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep shining. This is Notebook English, signing off.